Hello and welcome to this video. In this video we're going to look at what it means and what benefits you can have for Boffix taking over your QuickBooks license. Hello, my name is Aaron Patrick, Chartered Accountant, Certified UK Trainer with a brand new badge, and also that QuickBooks Chap on the internet. Now here at Boffix and as head of accounts at Boffix, one of the things we look to do is make it really easy for you guys as our customers or potential customers, and we want to make sure it's really easy for you to get the most out of whatever software we're asking to use or whatever it is that we've got in play. Now, one of those softwares we use more than most and we get our clients to use more than most is QuickBooks Online. But with QuickBooks Online, we can make it really easy for you and really cost effective for you to be able to make those payments and to ultimately get the software. So we've compiled this video to show you exactly the benefits of taking your subscription through us, what that means, and also what benefits you can get out of it. So what do we mean by us taking your subscription or us paying for your subscription? Well, ultimately, when you go to buy QuickBooks Online, you can either buy it directly from Intuit themselves or via a third party. Now, using a third party like Boffix does give you some extra little benefits. One of those benefits is we always look to try and find the cheapest and the most cost-effective way handing over the subscription to you. So we're always looking at deals and offers and opportunities so that you can make the most out of taking on a subscription. Furthermore, as a platinum partner within QuickBooks means that we can also offer extras on top as well. So by taking your subscription with us, not only do you get the full version of QuickBooks that you're used to, but you have an opportunity to have support, you have the opportunity to have training, and you have the opportunity for us as accountants to be able to do all manner of other elements that you may want to look at outsourcing. Overall, it gives you the opportunity to make sure you've got the best possible solution. So let's look at how it works so that you can have a better understanding of exactly what's going on here. Well, first of all, we'll make sure there's a link for this down below. But basically, this is the form we ask for anyone who's looking for Boffix to actually supply a QuickBooks license. The form is quite self-explanatory. It's all about the QuickBooks license itself. We need an email address, a name, company, if you've got a different company in QuickBooks, a company address, and would you like QuickBooks training? So what we mean by QuickBooks training is the ability for us as qualified trainers to be able to give you an opportunity to be trained in QuickBooks. Now, if you came to us without having any prior subscription from us, so if you had no other costs with us or takes any other service from us whatsoever at Boffix, then when we do one-to-one training, it's charged at £60 per hour. But when you take any subscription with us, and that includes just the QuickBooks license, so you're paying the same amount you would be to QuickBooks anyway, then we reduce that to £30 an hour. So instantly you get that major saving just there. Also, we have a whole training platform. We can do some basic training, we can do some advanced training, and we can do training based on particular scenarios as well. And one of the benefits we're starting to bundle within buying a subscription from us is we include that training as part of it as well. So when you do take a subscription out with Boffix and you do take a QuickBooks license from us, do really think about that question there. See if that's something that's going to be useful for you as a business owner and see if you can get the most out of QuickBooks from that. Once you've done that, you're going to be asked one of the most important questions out of all of them, and that's, have you already got a license, yes or no? Because this is going to ultimately change what happens next. If you haven't already got a license, then basically it takes you to this page where you just choose which license it is that you want. Really straightforward, asking you which particular license you want, but if you're confused at this point, then just pick whichever's right for you, and we'll make sure during the onboarding solution and talking to you through QuickBooks and giving you a quick 30-minute demonstration, which we include with every solution and every version of QuickBooks out there, then we can make sure you're on the right version of QuickBooks at that point. So you choose which version of it, press submit, and then you follow the on-screen options here to make sure that you're happy with going on here. So all you need to do now is provide your Go Cardless details, which is effectively your direct debit agreement. Once that's all been set up, then basically we get in contact with you, we send you a login credentials, and then we'll also support you with making sure that you're all happy with QuickBooks Online. So that's when you're going for a brand new solution. That's when You're taking us on, we're going to be able to help you with that, and we're going to make sure that you're being done or you're doing it correctly. The other option gets a little bit more complicated. And that's it, well, what if you've already got a license? If you've already got a license, you're already paying into it. We can still help and we can still take over that license for you. Now the benefits to you at that point is that we're going to be able to make sure that you still have access to all that extra information, that extra data, and be able to unlock from us the ability to be able to give you services on the fly. But also we can find ways in which we can make it cheaper for you as well. Let's have a look how that works. So you've already got a QuickBooks license, you're already paying into it. Well, when you go to that form, you click on that you already have a license, and then it asks you to go and add us as an accountant. Now this is really crucial. So if I jump into QuickBooks and I go to the company cog and I go to manage users, you will notice that under accounting firms, which is your second tab, you'll have the option to invite just here. And who are you going to invite? Well, we've given you that information just here, your account at boffix.com. Now, why do we need to be accountants? Well, that's so we can take over your subscription and we can start paying it instead of you having to pay QuickBooks. It also unlocks us the ability to be able to do all the things we're talking about. So giving you that one-to-one training, giving you that training portal, or going in and doing, say, like an MOT for you, which we've started to do, in a check of files for clients as well. All that is unlocked by us having that accountant's access. We can't do any of that without. So the first thing we have to do is become and be invited as an accountant. And then you just tell us which license that you want. Do you want to keep the one you've already got, or do you want to upgrade or downgrade accordingly? And again, we can offer you savings on that to make it so it's more beneficial for you to take on the license directly from us. Once you've submitted that, then what happens? Well, basically what will happen is we're going to take over that subscription for you, so you don't have to pay into it anymore, and we'll just invoice you on a monthly basis with the agreed amount, and then we take that via direct debit. So overall, from your point of view, you're going to be paying less for the subscription, but getting more benefits out of it as well. So it's a bit of a win-win for you. If you have any questions regarding how we can help you with QuickBooks, please do get in touch with us. hello@boffix.com is always going to be your best line of defense. And if you need any help whatsoever with QuickBooks, don't forget that this channel right here is designed to help you make sure you get the most out of QuickBooks and the most out of being a small business. So don't forget to like and subscribe. And with that, it's just for me to say it's been a pleasure to do this video for you, and I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.
I told him I can be a fighter if you want. I'll be there to catch you if you fall. I can make it brighter when it's dark, when it's dark. I told him I would do it all for you, and I know you do it for me too. I can be a fighter if you want, if you want. I can be a fighter. I can be a fighter if you want. I can be a fighter if you want. All the way that I feel, yeah, I know that it's real, 'cause I can get him out of my head. I don't care what we do, everything's feeling new. Even if we stay in bed, my heart is saying yeah, 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 yeah. You know I want him, nah, 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 nah. My heart is saying yeah, 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 yeah.
Hello and thank you for watching that video. What you may not know is this channel that you've watched this video from is part of a wider group. That wider group is called Apple Core Production, and the 3 channels that we have involved are as follows: Aaron Patrick, the QuickBooks Chap, Boffix Tax Tip. Finally, we have Apple Core Live and Geeky. All the links and everything are down below in the description, but it really means a lot to us if you can go and give a like to the other channels as well.